Hi guys, good morning once again. So, I'm Eric from Eagles Eye Travel and Tour. So, andito kami ngayon sa Crystal Cove Island. Kasama po yung mga guests ko from Pampanga. Yan, kaway-kaway po tayo, ma'am. Okay. Asan yung iba? Ayun, ay nasa likod. Ayan, okay. So, right now, proceeding po kami sa Cove 1 po dito sa Crystal Cove. Okay? Good morning guys. So right now we are having our island hopping activities here in Boracay. One of your itineraries ngayon pag nag-island hopping kayo sa Boracay ay sa Tupog. Snorkeling activity po dito sa Coral Garden. So, yung mga guests ko yan, mag-enjoy po sila sa pag-start. So we are here at Puka Beach area. So this is my guest, ma'am. Say hi.
Hi!
Yeah. Nag-enjoy kayo?
Yes!
So if you want to enjoy this beautiful beach front of Puka Beach, so book with Eagles Eye Travel and Tours and you can experience this beautiful long white sand beach of Puka Beach. Thank you.